Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. This time I'm here in Seminyak. It is on Jalan Champlong Tanduk, guys. I'm almost arriving here at the beach. Anybody of you planning to stay around in this area? Maybe let's walk around here and let's see what is happening. We are reaching Seminyak Beach or 66 Beach or whatever you call it. Some people say Seminyak Beach, some people say 66 Beach. And there's a gado-gado here, and if you go to the left, you will see a lot of cafe, bars like that. But this time, I will not go to the busy part, but instead, I want to go to the right and let's see the quiet part of this beach or along this beach, guys. And look at this. It's getting busy, and the weather is really good today. Sun is shining, so a lot of tourists would like to spend their time at the beach. And right here is the Grand Seminyak. This hotel, the name has changed. I think before it was a Marriott or something. Yeah, I forgot already. But this is a new name. Ocean Grand Beach. It's a beach club. It's part of the hotel. Yeah, this is the beach, guys, and that is Gado Gado. So I think all of you know about the restaurants by the beach, Gado Gado. Yeah, we can see a little bit from here. It is quite busy, and I think later it will be busier. But some of the local ones here is closed at this time. Not really sure what happened. This would be the busy time here at the beach, guys. Look at this. It's beautiful beach, isn't it? Seminyak Beach, it's very clean. And it is good. Long stretch of sand. Let's go to this area. Yeah, it's perfect weather now. Well, maybe it's a bit too early to see the sunset. Sunset will be soon, in 40 minutes, I think. We can walk around here and let's see what is happening in this area. I think most of you know very well about that side, beach side, where you will see like a lot of cafe, bars, restaurants by the beach or 66 Beach. Here also, even me, most of the time, I just go there and I want to update you the situation. But since I've never been to that area, it's quiet area, so just curious as well what is happening around there. And this is the Ocean Grand Beach. It looks good. They have their bar here. And just next to it here, there is another beach club as well, Sunset Beach. And this is part of the hotel as well, right? Royal Seminyak Hotel, something like that today. But I don't know if the hotel is fully open now. But this is the beach club situations, guys. There's some domestic tourists enjoying their time there, taking pictures, having orange juice. Wow, the juice looks delicious from here. Yeah, this is a new spot. They started to open not like long ago. And this is the additional buildings from this beach club, guys. Yeah, the good things is not really loud music. It's like other beach club in Bali, so still it's good. Sunset Beach Club. Have the DJ music's there. I'm just wondering here. There were some locals, warungs or local stalls here before, but seems I think it is gone now. I don't know. Is it ran by the beach club? I'm not really sure. But at least still there are some stalls, the local stalls here. You can get your drinks. Hello. You can get your drinks and beers as well here. It is a nice spot to take some pictures here. You can wash yourself here. Anyway, let's continue. Unfortunately, it's not a good view a little bit from here. And talking about the garbage in Bali, you may find some spot like that. Sometimes the people that in charge, they picking up their rubbish or garbage a bit slow. So because And still, we are going to Suwung, TPA, we call it, or where we dump the rubbish. And the volume of the rubbish that I can receive at the moment is not like it has like water or something, yeah. So they have their schedule which day they can deliver. Sometimes a bit delay, so you may see some spot like that. But look at this here, guys. It's really different vibes, isn't it? There are some, what is this, like little warung or something? It's not a warung, yeah. It's like a local people that teaching surfing, or you can take the surfing lessons from here. I think earlier they had kind of like a sunbaths here that you can run, but it is pretty nice, yeah. For me, okay, the beach club like earlier, it looks good, but when you see like this, like traditional warongs or local warongs like this, it just, how to say it, I feel the different vibes, just like a piece of old Bali, like that. And at the back there, I do believe that is the hotel, Oberoi Resort or hotel. Have you been staying at this hotel? Yeah, it looks good from here. Beachfront hotel, and this is the beach situation. There are quite a lot of people doing surfing today, so probably the wave is good here. Some people doing fishing as well. And it's really clean here. It is really glad to see it. Really clean and quiet. And I do believe not many people been to this area before, isn't it? Because probably, whoa. This hotel area looks quite big from outside. Anybody of you been here before? Maybe you can share your experience. I do believe a lot of people want to stay here. It looks good. And the location is also really good. When you go out from this hotel, it's just next to Kudera. And also there are a lot of markets if you like to do shopping, restaurants, many things. And talking about Seminyak, I think still a lot of people or tourists like to stay because the location is really good, like I said before. And they have, look at this, very nice beach, clean beach. You can get everything, bars, party side. It is very unique, yeah, Seminyak. It has a party side. It has, maybe I can say, a little bit of local side. You can stay at a big hotel or resort or private house or homestays. And not really busy. And also, even at Main Street now, it is not really busy, because maybe because the situations at the moment, tourism is a bit quiet. So yeah, most of the areas in Bali, especially along Jalan Kayu Aya, last time I came there at night, it was quiet. Is it because of the traffic lane change become one way, makes it quiet? I don't know. Okay, let's go here. Let's keep walking. There's a small river here, but smell not really good, yeah? Not really sure where this water comes from. I don't know. The smell not really good in this area. Let's keep walking. I think this is Kudeta area, isn't it? The sand here is really soft, guys, so it's a bit difficult when you wear slippers. So let's do this. But anyway, here, as you can see, it's quite busy, and there are so many local warongs as well, which is good to see that. I think this is the first time, guys, I come to this area, so it is good. Let's see. Anybody of you been here? Maybe you can write down in the comment section what do you think about this area. If you like it, or do you like the double six maybe around the La Plancha area. It is similar vibes at this spot, but earlier it was so quiet. I think that is Kudeta, guys. We can see a little bit from here. Yeah, it's good. It's not really loud music, and it's quite busy as well. Anyway, talking about Kudeta, it was one of the most popular restaurants. I still remember, maybe, when was it? Yeah, maybe like 10 years ago. You need to book really in advance, but I don't know now, because there are like a lot of similar style restaurants or bar like that here now in Bali. But if you look back, let's say 10 years ago, there was only like Kudeta and also and Potato Head, guys, in Seminyak. I think those two are very, very popular. Even now it's still popular, but yeah, like I said before, since there are more and more beach clubs around in this area, almost every area has beach clubs now. Canggu, there are a lot. Uluwatu, even in Nusa Dua has one beach club, but I don't think there are a few, but maybe it's not really as busy as other beach clubs. Souvenir. Yeah, this is the good things as well from here. You don't see like a lot of local people that selling you a lot of things. I saw a few of them, but they were polite, not really like giving you a lot of pressure. Yeah, talking about that, it was a lot happened before in Kuta, but since the last time, one of the lady, I don't know, I think from UK or somewhere, upload a video about she was really disappointed with the local sellers like that, like gave a lot of pressure. She just wanted to relax at the beach, but yeah, unfortunately there are like few people came to her, and yeah, since then I think the village have called all the sellers around Kuta and asked them not to do that anymore, which is very good. And now I think, yeah, there are still people like offering some things, but they are more polite now. I understand everyone need to make a living, they need to make money, but they need to do it in the good way, so the tourists will enjoy their time, or will be able to enjoy their times at the beach. This is another big hotel here. I still remember there was a footpath along this area, but yeah, last time there was like very big wave and hit all the footpath. Footpath was gone, and there were some erosions happened here, but I just hope it will stay like this. It's not worse or getting worse. Just curious, the hotel here beside us, this one, it looks really big from that side all the way until here, and it looks quite busy as well. Let's see the price, guys. I think this is the Legian Seminyak Bali. Wow, I've checked, the price is really expensive. The price is 8,997,000 rupiah, guys. And there are maybe few different prices at other platform, maybe because the type of the rooms or something. Yeah, maybe. And this is just today price, and then probably the price keep changing. Yeah, but probably it has good service, good facilities. So yeah, people willing to pay for their holiday. That amount of money, almost 9 million. So what do you think? Would you like to stay there? If you have, extra budget, why not? You can spoil yourself during your holiday. And next to it here is the Seminyak Hotel. The Seminyak Breeze, I think the name. And the Seminyak Breeze price is 6,141,000 rupiah. And there are a few other prices, 7 million, 8 million, yeah, around that. Yeah, this two hotel it's very expensive, yeah. I mean, in terms of the price, expensive, but probably you get what you pay, because there are a lot of resorts here in Bali, hotels. Sometimes the price is crazy, 10 million. I saw like 20 million, but there are a lot of resorts as well. It costs you only like 500,000 rupiah, 600,000 rupiah. It depends on the facilities, the service maybe. So why not? If you have extra budget, you can spoil yourself. And we are arriving here at Patitangan Beach, guys. As you can see, it is really busy here. A lot of local people spending their time here. And this is quite famous restaurant as well, La Luciola. You've been eating here? Well, it's getting busy now. They're enjoying sunset. It was nice, a short walk from Double Six Beach to this Patitangan Beach. I hope you enjoyed the video. So see you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.